Kericho, Kenya's tea haven that keeps giving. High up in the green hills of Kenya's Rift Valley lies Kericho, a town that feels like it's been painted straight out of nature's most vibrant palette. Known as the heartbeat of Kenya's tea industry, this place is more than just tea. It's a lively mix of breathtaking scenery, rich culture, and warm, welcoming people. Endless green, the tea fields that define Kericho. When you think of Kericho, the first thing that comes to mind is tea, and for a good reason. The town is surrounded by vast, rolling tea plantations that seem to go on forever. The lush green bushes, perfectly trimmed, stretch across the hills, creating a view so beautiful it almost looks unreal. These tea estates are the backbone of Kericho's economy. They don't just produce some of the world's best black tea, they also shape the town's identity. The cool, misty mornings and rich volcanic soils make Kericho the perfect spot for growing tea. You'll often see tea pickers at work, their baskets strapped to their backs, carefully plucking the tender leaves that will eventually make their way to cups around the globe. A town full of life and culture. Kericho isn't just about tea, though. It's also home to the Kipsigis people, a proud community known for their deep traditions and strong connection to the land. The local culture is alive in every corner of the town, from the rhythmic beats of traditional songs to the bustling markets where you can find everything from fresh vegetables to handmade crafts. Food is another big part of life here. You can't visit Kericho without trying mursik, a traditional fermented milk drink, or enjoying a plate of ugali with fresh vegetables. The flavors are simple yet hearty, a reflection of the region's agricultural roots. Nature's playground. Kericho's beauty isn't limited to the tea farms. The town is surrounded by some of Kenya's most stunning natural attractions. A short drive will take you to Mau Forest, one of the largest forests in Kenya, and an important water source for the country. It's the kind of place where you can lose yourself in the tranquility of nature, with towering trees and the occasional chatter of monkeys keeping you company. If you're up for some adventure, visit the Chebulu Waterfalls, a hidden treasure tucked away in the forest. The sound of the water crashing down and the lush greenery around it make for a perfect escape. It's the kind of spot that feels like a secret only Kericho can offer. A town on the move. While Kericho is steeped in tradition, it's also looking ahead. The town has become a hub for education, with colleges and universities drawing students from all over the country. This youthful energy brings a fresh vibe to the community. Kericho is also making strides in sustainability. Many tea estates are now powered by renewable energy, like hydropower, showing the town's commitment to protecting its environment. It's this mix of innovation and tradition that makes Kericho stand out. The heart of Kericho, its people. What makes Kericho truly special is its people. They're hardworking, friendly, and deeply connected to their land. Whether it's the tea pickers, the farmers, or the market traders, everyone here has a role to play in keeping the town thriving. Cultural festivals and gatherings are a big deal in Kericho. They're a chance for the community to come together, celebrate their traditions, and share their stories with the next generation. If you're lucky enough to experience one, you'll leave with a deeper appreciation of what makes this town tick. Why Kericho stands out. Kericho is a place where nature and community come together in perfect harmony. Whether you're sitting on a veranda sipping tea while gazing at the endless green hills, hiking through the Mau Forest, or chatting with locals at the market, there's something magical about this town. Kericho isn't just a stopover. It's a destination that stays with you long after you've left. It's where the beauty of Kenya's highlands meets the heart of its people, creating a place that's as refreshing as the tea it's famous for.